Hi guys. Today I want to talk about how to thread the Singer Heavy Duty, and this video is going to be divided into three parts. How to thread the machine, how to wind the bobbin, and then part 3, how to mount the bobbin and complete the process. So let's get started. Okay, so first let's take a look at what's happening at the back of the machine. This is our spool, and I'm using a spool holder because I use a bigger spool. Now, you can also put your spool here, but this will only accommodate smaller spools. This kind of spool will not fit here, so I have to use the spool holder, and this spool holder is also, you can adjust its height, it's telescopic. Okay, now back to the front of the machine. We saw where our thread is coming from, our spool in the back. Now we take this thread, we insert it into this little thingy here, and then we bring it into this bracket, we bring it down, we take the turn, and we slide it through this hoop here, and we go back down again. That's the top part. Now we're going to go to the bottom. I'm going to change the angle of the camera so you can see what's going on down there. Okay guys, so we have arrived with our thread at station number 6. Station number 7, station number 8, station number 7, station number 8, Hi guys, this is the second part of our video, how to thread the Singer Heavy Duty. And we're going to be talking about how to wind the bobbin. In other words, how we go from this to this. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do is take the thread and bring it in through this bracket, and then wrap it around this screw in this manner, and then we're going to take the end of that thread and bring it in through this little hole right here, like so. Now we're going to take this bobbin, slide it on this thing, and push it forward like that. So let's look at this from a wider angle. We've got our thread coming in from the spool, going in through this hoop, taking a turn around the screw, and going into the bobbin. Let's see what we're going to do next. So what we're going to do now is grab a hold of this end of the thread here and hit the gas. What we're going to do now is disengage the bobbin, cut the thread, and we're going to mount it on the machine and have the machine ready for sewing. So our bobbin is going to go here, and we're going to pop it out first, like that. And I want you to notice there are two openings here, one here and one here. Remember this one, the first one, because this is where our thread is going to go. So what we do, we take our bobbin and we have our thread pointing towards us, coming in from the top, and we put it into this compartment, and we have our thread exiting the compartment from this first opening that I showed you. You pull it a little bit, so what we have here is our thread coming out of the bobbin, and we have the top thread coming in from the needle. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this compartment like that. Close the compartment. Okay, so now we have come to the final phase, the final step. What we're going to do is going to turn the hand wheel and have the needle go down. Then we grab the end of this thread that is coming from the needle. We keep turning the hand wheel, having it go up. The needle is up now, and we pull on this thread, and what happens, you will see that loop, and you just fish it out like that, and you're done.